We were approached by the executive producer of Wired. He just feels our audiences are perfectly matched. So he goes, the concept is, you guys shoot the creation of the ultimate cosplay walk-around robot.
You want him to be 10 foot tall?
If we can hit 10 feet, that'd be great. We could build a head on top of his head to give him height.
Just make it big and impressive for what it is.
It's going to be massive. It is going to be so grueling. It's one of those things, yeah, we're going to show them what can be done.
This first phase, unless we're going to do sketching, I mean, I think it needs to be pretty loose.
This thing had to be worn and moved by a single puppeteer. We need to make it lightweight. So I think a lot of us were thinking in that, you know, right from the beginning, from design stages, how can we get away with making this thing look big and heavy and ominous and menacing, and still make it lightweight and maneuverable.
One approach is to actually have his arms be the arms, direct control of the arms of this robot. The other option, which I'm leaning toward, is having 4 arms on the robot, because there's a rig that they're going to be playing with that will allow him to have one of 2 configurations. Either his arms will be out and cloaked in armor, so that they will be, in essence, robot hands, and then he'll have a larger set of arms that would be up here around this shoulder area. So he would have, like, you know, a 4-armed robot.
A huge fan of the Winston Studio, Predator, Terminator, all of those things were always massive influences. So I thought it would be great to include some of that into the design. It kind of has a little bit of a Predator, a little bit of a Terminator feel, especially with the dreads and that whole deal, even just the angles of the face.
For me, it was like Japanese Gundam or like Macross type of design stuff, but it turned out to be like more like bulky robot. Military design, military color, just doing like little small tiny line like this. It's gonna make it so much different.
Hello. Hey guys, there's a lot of really cool stuff here. You're looking at 27 versus 25. I like the low slung head that's a little bit more ball player. I think it gives a sense of ominous strength. Seems like the shoulders are good. There are a couple different aesthetics, and then we can just discuss them. We can all decide to go this direction.
Matt, how do you guys feel about these? You didn't weigh in on these at all.
Honestly, for me, gets me the most excited is Darnell's. I just dig the broad shoulder, low head. It's not as busy. I think these are all cool guys, I really do. But I just responded to 125 there. Yeah?
We had to make quick decisions, and fortunately that's something that all of us have experience doing. You have to kind of trust your gut and move forward, and that was this whole project. We had to have that confidence.
Like I said, if you guys like it, then I can finish it tonight.
I mean, it's a collaboration, you know. Everybody speaks their mind and has some input as to what something can be, and generally the person with the best idea gets the, you know, approval on what that thing should be.
Well, if we agree upon, you know, that this is the direction, I mean, we'll let them flush it out a bit more.
And when we settled on what the basic look of the character would be, that's when it all honed in.
Now we have a rough concept approved. Darnell did a lot of quick 3D modeling of his rough 2D design. Jim put it all together and went in with color schemes and finessing like that. Took in some of Adam Ross's work, took in a little bit of Juan's. It was really cobbling the best of things. And then it was off to the races with printing it up to start building the prototype.
We still have some more design to do, but this just gives them a jump start on the basic scale. That's it, I just sent it to the printer.